Okay, everyone, it's time to meet Nand, an amazing international and transfer student who's literally traveled the world to get to TCU. He's a sophomore majoring in business information systems and finance with a minor in physics, and he's going to tell us about TCU's entrepreneurial spirit. Nand, please take it away.
Hello everyone. So I was born in India and I lived there for a few years before moving to Zambia in southern Africa. After finishing high school in Zambia, I really wanted to study abroad and move to America for college. I decided to move to a community college in Southern California. It was called Orange Coast College. And then it was time to transfer. I had a lot of friends who went to TCU and I started having conversations with them about my possibility of transferring to TCU. After talking to the admissions office and watching a lot of videos about TCU, I immediately fell in love with the campus. I mean, the school spirit on campus was just unimaginable. Everything was purple. Purple boots, purple t-shirts, purple couches, purple flowers. Like, this was something that I had dreamt of as an international student in America, to be a part of this great institution. During the admissions process, I learned that there were great counselors at TCU who were helping me throughout the entire financial aid process. After transferring to TCU, my journey in the US took a whole different route. I started as a physics major in college because I thought that I was pretty good at math and physics in high school. But over time, I met so many students at TCU from all different parts of the world studying so many interesting subjects. I immediately realized that being good at something in high school might not necessarily translate into a career. The second closest thing that I would see myself doing is business. I was always amazed by the American corporate world and always dreamt about working in one of those downtown skyscrapers. One day after my calculus class, I went to the business school to see what majors did they offer. I decided to switch my major to business information systems. I've been in the business school for the last 1 year and I'm loving it. We're learning about real-world issues and coming up with solutions of dealing with them. As future global leaders, I feel like it's very important for us to learn about these issues in college, and TCU does a really good job at preparing students for the future, regardless of their majors. With the help of different programs at the Neely School of Business and my accounting professor's referral, I was able to receive an internship at a private equity firm in San Diego. TCU's alumni network is very powerful when it comes to finding job opportunities and just getting general mentorship about your career trajectory. I hope my experience helps you learn a little more about TCU. This campus is a home away from home, whether you're from India or from Fort Worth. Thanks for letting me share my story. What's next, Alex?
Nand, I love it. What an amazing journey you've made to get here. Thanks for sharing your experience finding a new home right here on campus. We appreciate it, Nand.